Hi, I'm Mark Higger from Mirror Lab at the Colorado School of Mines. Referring expression generation, or reg, is the natural language generation task of selecting which attribute should be used to describe a particular entity. A classic reg method is incremental algorithm, which loops through a list of attributes and removes non-target entities, called distractors, which do not have that attribute. In this way, it builds a list of attributes which can uniquely identify an entity. However, the incremental algorithm has some major flaws, which limits its viability for modern HRI applications. One of the biggest issues is that IA assumes a one-shot setting and does not adjust attribute selection for repeated entities. Additionally, IA assumes that all entities are equally relevant and will distinguish a target from all other entities regardless of relevance. In this work, we present GAIA, which utilizes a cognitive model of entity relevance to address IA's issues with both the one-shot context limitation as well as the comparison to irrelevant entities in the environment. Specifically, it uses the Givenness hierarchy cognitive status model. This model splits entity cognitive status into 6 hierarchical levels based on how the entity is represented in memory. Importantly, these cognitive statuses span memory levels for both an interconversational level as well as the larger environmental context. Utilizing this model, we can extend IA to compensate for entity relevance. We then call this extension the Givenness advised incremental algorithm, or GAIA. GAIA works by looping through all the available distractors and eliminating any distractors that have a lower cognitive status than the target entity. In this way, we are eliminating distractors that are not of the same conversational relevance as our target entity. Finally, using this new list of distractors, we can run the standard incremental algorithm to produce a set of attributes to identify the object. In conclusion, this approach is better suited for HRI as it incorporates conversational and environmental context into reg.